3. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a wonderful tune by Clarkson, Piece by Piece. She sings that so great. Powerful song. Cool, so let's start with putting a capo on first fret, please. And then we have some open, nice chords. We got a C major. 1, 2, 3. We got an A minor. 1, 2, 3. We got an F major. Let's play F like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And G major. And I believe that's all the chords we need. Okay, so song starts on the verse starts with A minor. 2, 3, 4, F to C. A minor, F to C. And then we have G major, F, A minor to F. G that again from the beginning. Can we do some picking? And over the C, if we want to play that melody they have there on the piano, that would be second finger over the C, second finger on the D string, second fret, and lift it up, make it a D, and then grab a G. So picking down from the A string, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, and the strum. Sounds good. Now to G major, A minor, to F, still part of the verse. C a little bit. We can play that melody here. Second verse. F, between that goes from C to an A minor to F before she sings the last chorus. So it goes A minor to F, and then chorus. Cool. That's the whole song. What a beautiful song. So let's review before we end the lesson. The song starts with straight to an A, F, C, A, F, C 2 times. And then the second part of the verse every time is G, A, F, G, A, F, okay? And then chorus C. We want to strum for the chorus C, G, A minor, F. And do some picking and light strumming for the verses. Sounds good. Cool. Thanks, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Take it easy.